If you're shopping for a Mercedes C-Class, be careful. Some model years are ticking time bombs that can empty your bank account, while others are some of the most reliable cars Mercedes has ever built. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 C-Class years you should avoid at all costs, followed by the 5 best years that offer real long-term reliability. Stay till the end, because the number 1 best year is shockingly affordable right now, and one of the worst years is still being advertised as a great deal. Number 5, 2015 W205. The 2015 W205 C-Class represents the first year of the 4th generation C-Class with new turbocharged engines. First-year production issues and the base M274 2-liter turbo engine make this model year risky for used car buyers. The 2015 model year suffered from cracked pistons and premature turbocharger wear in the M274 engine that were later corrected in subsequent years. These early production engines couldn't handle the stress of forced induction combined with direct injection technology. Turbocharger failure typically occurs between 60,000 to 80,000 miles, requiring complete turbo replacement costing $3,000 to $4,500. Cracked pistons require engine rebuild or replacement costing $8,000 to $12,000 when the damage becomes severe. According to Consumer Reports data and extensive documentation on MB World forums, 2015 C-Class models have higher failure rates for engine and turbo components compared to the later years when Mercedes refined the manufacturing process and updated problematic components. Independent Mercedes specialists recommend avoiding first model years of any generation due to unresolved engineering issues that emerge after production begins. The cost of being an early adopter often exceeds $5,000 in unexpected repairs during the first few years of ownership. Number 4, 2007 W203. The 2007 W203 represents the final year of the 2nd generation C-Class that still carried significant risk of the M272 V6 balance shaft failure. This expensive engine problem affects engines with serial numbers prior to the 2008 to 2009 updates. The M272 V6 engine in the C350 suffers from balance shaft sprocket failure that destroys the entire engine when the composite material deteriorates. The balance shaft timing becomes erratic, causing catastrophic internal damage that requires complete engine replacement. Balance shaft failure typically occurs between 80,000 to 120,000 miles without adequate warning signs for most owners. The repair requires pulling the engine from the vehicle, making labor costs extremely expensive at Mercedes dealerships and independent shops. According to MB World Forum data and Mercedes specialist experience, the balance shaft issue affects approximately 60% of M272 engines from this production period. The fix requires complete engine removal and rebuild costing $4,000 to $6,000 minimum. Smart buyers avoid 2007 C350 models entirely or budget for preventive balance shaft replacement at 75,000 miles. The risk of catastrophic failure makes this year particularly dangerous for unsuspecting used car buyers. Number 3, 2001 W203. The 2001 W203 C-Class represents the first model year of the 2nd generation, notorious for electrical component failure and widespread electronic glitches. Issues with the SAM module and wiring corrosion create expensive diagnostic nightmares. The signal acquisition module controls multiple electrical functions throughout the vehicle. When SAM modules fail, they cause cascading electrical problems affecting lights, windows, locks, and engine management systems that are difficult and expensive to trace. Wiring corrosion in the engine bay and behind interior panels creates intermittent electrical faults that cost hundreds in diagnostic fees without permanent fixes. High labor costs for electrical diagnosis make ownership expensive and frustrating for many owners. According to Consumer Reports data and Mercedes Forum documentation, 2001 models require significantly more diagnostic time due to complex electrical issues and immature wiring harnesses. Multiple dealer visits are often required to resolve intermittent problems. The combination of first-year production issues and immature electrical architecture makes 2001 one of the most problematic years in C-Class history. Smart buyers choose later W203 models after Mercedes resolved initial electrical problems through component updates. Number 2, 2008 W204. The 2008 W204 C-Class represents the first year of the third generation that still carried the highest risk of M272 balance shaft issues in the C300 and C350 models. Although the W204 platform improved significantly, the engine risk remained extremely high. The 2008 C300 and C350 use the M272 V6 engine that suffers from the same balance shaft sprocket failure as earlier models. The composite material deteriorates over time, causing timing issues that destroy the entire engine without warning. Additionally, the 2008 model year includes timing chain tensioner problems in some four-cylinder engines that can cause catastrophic failure if ignored. The tensioner loses hydraulic pressure, allowing the timing chain to stretch or skip timing. Forum data from MB World shows that 2008 W204 models have higher failure rates for engine timing components compared to later years when Mercedes updated problematic parts. Early production issues compound the inherent engine risks. Buyers get the improved W204 chassis, but inherit the most expensive engine flaw from the previous generation. This combination makes 2008 particularly risky, since owners expect better reliability from the new platform, but face expensive engine problems. Number 1, 2005 W203. The 2005 W203 C-Class takes the top spot as the worst year to buy. This model year combines the worst W203 rust problems with the highest volume of cars having the flawed M272 V6 engine balance shaft issue. The 2005 model year suffers from severe rust problems affecting subframes, wheel arches, and structural components that compromise safety and require expensive bodywork. The rust protection was inadequate for harsh climates and road salt exposure. Subframe rust can cause suspension mounting points to fail catastrophically, creating dangerous driving conditions. Wheel arch rust spreads quickly and requires extensive metalwork, costing thousands of dollars to repair properly when caught early. The M272 V6 engine in 2005 C350 models has the highest failure rate for balance shaft problems, with most engines from this production run eventually requiring expensive repairs. The composite sprockets deteriorate predictably between 80,000 to 120,000 miles. According to Consumer Reports data and extensive Mercedes Forum documentation, 2005 represents the most complete package of engine, body, and electronic failures in C-Class history. Owners face simultaneous expensive problems that exceed the vehicle's value. Now, getting into the best model years you can buy. Number 5, 2010 W204. The 2010 W204 C-Class represents the pre-facelift sweet spot where the M272 V6 balance shaft issue was largely resolved through updated components. This model year features the highly reliable, naturally aspirated 3-liter V6 engine. By 2010, Mercedes had addressed the balance shaft sprocket problems through improved materials and manufacturing processes. The updated components proved significantly more reliable than earlier M272 variants from 2005 to 2008 that suffered from high failure rates. The C300 uses the naturally aspirated M272 V6 engine that provides adequate performance without the complexity and failure points of modern turbocharged units. Simple mechanical systems are more reliable and less expensive to maintain long-term. According to MB World Forum data and Mercedes Specialist Experience, 2010 models have dramatically fewer balance shaft failures compared to earlier years. The updated sprockets use improved composite materials that resist deterioration over time. Independent Mercedes specialists report that 2010 W204 models represent excellent value for buyers seeking reliable C-Class ownership. The combination of resolved engine issues and mature platform engineering creates dependable transportation. Number 4. 2013 W204. The 2013 W204 C-Class received the facelift update that upgraded the C300 to the M276 3.5-liter V6 engine. This fundamentally stronger engine replaced the problematic M272, and the chassis benefited from years of continuous refinement. The M276 3.5-liter V6 engine represents a complete redesign that eliminates the balance shaft problems of the earlier M272. The new engine uses proven technology with improved materials and manufacturing processes that address previous failure points. The 2013 facelift included updated interior materials, improved infotainment system, and refined suspension tuning that addressed earlier complaints. All major systems benefited from years of iterative improvements and component updates. Forum data from MB World shows that 2013 W204 models have significantly fewer engine problems compared to earlier years across all trim levels. The M276 engine has proven reliable in real-world testing with minimal common failure points. Many Mercedes specialists consider 2013 an excellent choice for W204 ownership, combining the improved M276 engine with mature chassis engineering. This year offers modern features without the risks associated with first-year production issues. Number 3. 2019 W205. The 2019 W205 C-Class represents the mid-cycle facelift year where Mercedes addressed the M274 engine flaws and updated the troublesome 9-speed transmission software. The interior technology was significantly improved with better user interface design. The 2019 model year benefits from updated M264 four-cylinder engines that address the cracked piston and turbo problems of earlier M274 variants. The new engine uses improved materials and manufacturing processes that reduce common failure points. The 9G-tronic transmission received software updates that improve shift quality and reduce the harsh shifting complaints from earlier years. The transmission programming was refined to work better with the updated engine management systems. According to Consumer Reports data and Mercedes Forum documentation, 2019 models show improved reliability patterns compared to early W205 years. The facelift addressed many known issues through component updates and software improvements. Independent Mercedes specialists report that 2019 W205 models have fewer common problems than early production years. The combination of updated engines and refined transmission programming creates a better ownership experience for buyers. Number 2. 2014 W204. The 2014 W204 C-Class represents the final model year of the third generation that benefited from 7 years of continuous refinement. This makes it the most reliable and best-built version of this robust generation. The 2014 model year incorporates all lessons learned from the W204 production run, including updated components, refined manufacturing processes, and improved quality control. Every major system benefits from years of iterative improvements and problem resolution. The C300 and C350 models use the proven M276 V6 engine that eliminates balance shaft problems while providing strong performance. The engine has been thoroughly tested in real-world conditions and proven reliable across multiple Mercedes model lines. Consumer Reports data shows that 2014 W204 models have high reliability ratings across the entire chassis compared to earlier years. All major systems demonstrate mature engineering with minimal common failure points. Independent Mercedes specialists consistently recommend 2014 as the best W204 year for buyers seeking reliable C-Class ownership. The combination of proven technology and end-of-generation refinement creates exceptional dependability that newer models struggle to match. Number 1. 2017 W205. The 2017 W205 C-Class takes the top spot as the best year to buy. By this year, the M274 engine issues were better understood and largely corrected, and the 9-speed transmission was refined for improved reliability. The 2017 C300 uses the updated M274 engine with improved piston design and turbocharger components that address the cracking and premature wear issues of 2015 to 2016 models. The manufacturing process was refined to reduce common failure points. The 9G-tronic transmission received significant software updates that improve shift quality and reduce the harsh shifting complaints from early production years. The transmission programming works much better with the refined engine management systems. According to MB World Forum data and Mercedes specialist experience, 2017 models represent the sweet spot for modern W205 ownership. The combination of updated components and refined manufacturing creates reliable, modern luxury transportation. Independent Mercedes specialists report that 2017 W205 models have excellent reliability records when maintenance history is properly documented. This year offers modern looks and technology with the highest reliability score before the 2018 refresh complications. These 10 model years represent the extreme ends of C-Class reliability and ownership experience. The worst years demonstrate what happens when Mercedes introduces new technology before it's fully proven, while the best years show the excellence possible when engineering matures. The most important lesson is that Mercedes C-Class reliability varies dramatically by model year and generation, with specific engines carrying different risk profiles. Research is essential before purchasing any used C-Class to avoid expensive surprises. When shopping for a C-Class, choose models from the recommended years and avoid problematic generations entirely. Your wallet and peace of mind will thank you for choosing proven reliability over cutting-edge complexity that hasn't been thoroughly tested. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.